Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable cart drawer UX patterns in Shopify themes, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable cart drawer UX patterns in Shopify themes, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section from the left-hand menu. Click on themes to view your installed themes. Find the theme you wish to edit and click on actions. Select edit code from the drop-down menu. In the code editor, locate the sections directory on the left-hand side. Open the file named carttemplate.liquid. You may want to back up this file before making changes. Replace existing cart items display code with the drawer cart code. For the drawer effect, include a div element with an ID like cart drawer. Ensure that this div is styled in your CSS file for proper visibility. Next, search for the JavaScript folder in the same code editor. Open or create a new JavaScript file to handle the drawer toggle functionality. Write a function to open and close the drawer when the cart icon is clicked. Use jQuery or vanilla JavaScript to implement the toggle functionality. If using jQuery, ensure it's loaded in your theme. After setting up the JavaScript, go back to your theme files. Now, head to the Assets directory and locate your CSS file. Add styles to ensure the drawer appears smoothly over the main content. Test mobile responsiveness by simulating different device sizes. Make sure that when the drawer opens, the background dims for better focus. Once you have completed the code adjustments, save all your changes. Preview your store to see how the cart drawer appears and operates. Perform some test transactions to verify the cart functions as expected. If everything looks good, your cart drawer UX pattern is successfully enabled. Consider revisiting and refining the design for better user experience as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.